I go by the name of Nelle or Nell. Today I'm doing an unboxing video of a pair of shoes. As you can see, the box is Nike. Just do it. Shout out to Phil Knight. All right. Starting off here on the label, we have Air Max 98. Size 7.5 in women, which converts to a 6 in kids or grade school, however you would like to look at that. It's true to size, but you can go half up a size, depending on your foot. If you have a wide foot, you might want to go half size up. Retail, suggested retail price, I paid $160 for it. Colorway is white, racer pink, and some other colors here. So go ahead and get started. Da-da-da-da. Here we have the shoe, Nike Air Max 98, women's size. Colorway is dope. It is hot pink. I like to call it hot pink. Purple, white, gray. You have a gray mesh on the upper part of the shoe all the way around. On the side panels, you have suede. This white suede here on both sides. The lace holders are hot pink, purple, strip of 3M. 3M is also here on the pull tab around here as well, as you can see. And it is stitched purple around the shoe. Stitched Air, stitch, Nike check or swoosh. You know, as people here like to call it a Nike check, but it's more of a swoosh. Yeah, stitch here on the tongue. It says Air Max. Whoever did stitching must have had a great sewing machine. We also got a hint of leather at the toe box with the stitch Nike check again. Touch of leather here at the tongue. Inside is purple, and the insole is purple with Nike Air written in pink. Here on the back of the shoe, or the outsole, is black with a oval shape with a Nike swoosh or Nike check. Check 1, check 2. And then here in the air bubble, which is pretty dope also, you have some hot pink inside there. So what I'm gonna do is put it on feet right before the video off, just so you can see what it looked like on feet. So yeah, this is it for the unboxing of Nike Air Max 98. All right, these are what the Nike Air Max 98 look like on feet. So I'm gonna rotate. I have on black joggers with these. As you can see, at night they'll probably you'll probably see the reflect of the 3M. But this is what the Air Max 98 looks like.